Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Need a break from your payments? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to pause a payment on Affirm, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Affirm app or website. Log into your Affirm account using the mobile app or go to affirm.com and sign in. Step 2. Select the loan you want to pause. From your dashboard, find the loan or purchase you want to pause. Tap or click on it to open the details. Step 3. Look for Manage Payments or more options. Tap Manage Payments or a similar option depending on your platform. If the pause feature is available, you'll see a link or button labeled Pause Payment or Request Payment Assistance. Step 4. Follow the prompts. Affirm may ask you to confirm your eligibility or reason for pausing. Answer the questions honestly and confirm your request. Note: not all loans are eligible for pause. You must meet specific conditions such as financial hardship or natural disaster eligibility. If you're not eligible, consider contacting Affirm support. Step 5. Confirm the pause. Once approved, you'll receive confirmation by email. The new due date or paused period will show in your payment schedule. Bonus tip: even with a paused payment, interest may still accrue. Always check the fine print to understand how it affects your total cost. And that's it. You've now learned how to pause a payment on Affirm the right way. Thanks for watching.